Have a seat. Hello. How are you?
I'm not fine.
How is your morning?
Not so good.
Oh, so what brings you here this morning?
I'm hired.
Okay.
I've been sent here for some counseling.
Okay. Hi, Rod. I think I know about your case. So tell me, why did you have to do what you did?
It's because I wouldn't get a job if I'm pregnant. Yet I had to cut off her medication.
Do you know that it's a crime? Do you know that it's not good?
It's because I thought it was the only solution I had.
So why did you have to do that?
I thought I'll be successful in this. I had to work. My mom is sick.
Sorry about that. So you thought when you were born the cancer will be healed?
I wouldn't get a job if I'm pregnant.
Oh. So tell me, what really transpired? What really happened from the beginning?
You see, my mom...
Hello. Excuse me. Please, can I help you?
Help me?
Yeah.
With what?
Take this.
Taking pics.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's okay with me.
Excuse me. Please, can you help me with your phone?
With my phone?
Yeah.
For what purpose?
No, it's like I just want to take some pics from your phone because mine is not good.
You want to take your pics using my phone? Are you even listening to yourself?
Why not? Don't fear me. Please, just help me.
For how long are you going to use it?
Like 2 minutes.
You phoned me taking myself selfies, so first get done, I'll take mine later. I'll do one.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice pics. Please, can you send me on the WhatsApp?
No, Bluetooth is faster and easier.
Just send me on WhatsApp.
Wait, what are you implying here?
Nothing. Of course, nothing.
You guys, say your number.
That is it.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm Abe and you.
You're Abe.
Yeah.
I'm saving here, Abe.
What's your name?
I'm hired.
Do you mind if you're friends?
Friends. Friends don't count friends just for seconds of mint, okay? So maybe next time.
Okay, no problem.
Have you seen the pics?
Yeah, I'm seeing them.
Remember to delete my number.
Deleting.
Yes. Anyway, I'll have to leave. I'm going, yeah? Have
Okay.
less time here. So.
But I'll call you. I think I'll call you.
Call me. I told you to delete my number.
No, I can't delete it.
Anyway, I'll have to go.
Nenyo dokita aliriddawo nga tulinze ekiseera kiwanvu.
Dokita mugambye ajja badde alina gw'amaliriza omulwadde gw'amaliriza ki naye omulwadde mukebedde puleesha simbi okugyako mu bulago. mwamuli obuzibu naye nga dokita ajjo.
Muluddewo nnyo nammwe.
Okay. Mukyala Mukwaya Saala tofaayo ojja kuba bulungi owulidde naye okusinziira wano results pressure simbi naye obuzibu buli wano mu mimiro so ate nga tetusobola kumanya kituufu kikikuluma so kyetuyinza okukola mu bulago awo tuyinza kujjako malusu netugatwala mu laboratory ne bagakebera ne tumanya kyekikuluma okay? naye bamukaka mugenda kuba bulungi okay? Ondoza ogenda tuwa ku malusu go so tuwa ku malusu go wano mpola mpola then netugenda okukozesa so kwesikamu kuwa mpola mpola mzee toba nakutya omulwadde wo ajja kuba bulungi katusooke twali samples zino mu laboratory bazikebere tumanye ekyekimuluma mugumye bugume naye ajja kuba bulungi okay. Kakati mzee ekikumpisiza wano kubulira results saagadde kwogera nga waliyo omulwadde n'abaana bali okusinziira ku samples zetwatutte results zikomyewo era nga ziri nti mukyalawo alina kansa gamazima ffe tukoze ogwaffe ate nekisinga okuba ekibi nti kansa ali ku stage yakubiri tugenda kukikola tutya ekyo dokita kansa bamujjanjaba batya fone tusobola mujjanjaba tugenda kurifalinga ku malwaliro amanene oba okugenda abroad kibiza kunkozitinga kitya tugenda kuwa baluwa ekwongereyo naye ndowooza kijja kukositinga nga $25,000 eza Uganda mawulire gannako naye simanyi kyakola so genda oyogere ne famire fe nange kangende nkola ebbaluwa gye munaatwalira ku mulwadde
So, yes? How is Mom?
Mom is not improving at all. The situation is just worsening.
Mommy, how are you?
She just sits there, she cannot talk.
Has she eaten anything?
Nothing at all. I've just given her soda and she just brings each and everything out.
Hi, Dad. Sir.
Yes, Dad?
Hi, Dad. Ebintu si birungi n'akamu.
Bitya.
Omanyi nti maama wammwe alina ekirwadde kya kansa.
Eki?
Era nga wetwogerera atuuse ku mutendera ogwokubiri.
tugamba kansa.
Kansa atuuse ku mutendera gwakubiri. Tulina okukozesa miliyoni 2.
Maama alina kansa. Dokita yakikugambye.
Tulina okusala amagezi okulaba nga buli mwana alina ssente tusobola okujjanjaba maama we. Twabawandisa balikogera ku nsonga.
See. Why?
You see, my mother's sick.
Mother is sick.
I'm critically ill.
Suffering from what?
The doctor told us that she's suffering from throat cancer.
Now, where is she?
She's at home now because the doctors didn't admit her because her medication will be done in India. And the amount of money they asked us, it's a lot.
Yeah, I know. But like, how much do they need in the hospital?
It's a lot. It's over 25 M.
And we can't afford. 25 M for treatment only?
Yes.
It's really a big amount of money.
And we have nowhere to get it. We can't afford also.
Okay. What I can do now for you is to help you. I promise to give you 2 M for the treatment. You start on that one.
You're going to give me 2 million shillings?
Yeah.
For my mother's medication?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
But let me send you, but now let me send you 1 million on your account. And then another million will come for it on Thursday.
So you're sending me money right now? Eh?
Yeah. Let me process here. It's right there. The names of hierarchy.
Yeah?
Okay. Have you seen the message?
Let me check. Not yet.
Check again.
Oh, it's here. Let me open it.
You've received it?
It's 1 M. Oh my God.
For today. But remember to come back for another one on Thursday. Yeah. But you know what? I'm doing this because you're my friend and I care about you. So, go and start on that one. But remember to come back on Thursday for another million.
Oh my God. You've given me 1 M and I'm coming back for another on Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know what you've done to me.
You're welcome.
So, can I give you a hug?
It's okay. Next time, I think.
So, we can go?
Yeah, let's meet on Thursday.
On Thursday.
Yeah.
I won't forget.
Okay.
On Thursday. Okay. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Dad, you're here, please. Now, I'm from a friend of mine, and he has managed to get me 1M.
Thank you. But, hi, love. How do you manage to get it this much?
Dad, it's this friend of mine, eh? I tried to explain to him the situation that Mommy is in, so he promised to help me with 2M. Though for now, has given me only 1. Now, Dad, if I may ask, what plan do you have on this?
I'm going to village to sell some of my cattle.
You're going to the village to sell the cattle? No option.
There's no option, right?
No option, but you seem to be so worried. So, should I get you a cup of tea or something?
Okay, for me, a cup of tea.
Okay, Dad. Let me get you a cup.
What's up? Nothing. Man, she has come today.
She's come today. What the?
Come on. She's just from here. And she told me her mother is sick. And I promised to give her 2 million shilling for medical. And I already sent her 1 million on her account.
Man, because for me, the way I see that babe, she's just in need. And she's not a friend indeed.
God loves me. That's the fact. And anyway, whatever it is, whatever you think, just know I love her. That's why I'm doing all of this.
Because for me, she doesn't love you. And I don't want you to spend a lot of time to someone who doesn't care about you.
Just be around on Thursday and see.
Okay, no problem. It's fine, I'll be here. Anyway, how is Jimmy?
Jimmy's school.
Dad,
Yes, man.
Mom is becoming more weak. She just eats herself on bed. Even I feel shy to clean her.
What should I do?
Why don't we talk to Aunt Anna to ask her whether she can help us?
She's not busy.
Aunt Anna is no longer working. She can.
Okay, I'll try to call her.
Okay.
Man, what's up?
Nothing, man. Just go.
Where is the babe? Because for me, I think she would have been here.
Yeah, but she told me she's still on her way.
At this time, now it's 10 a.m. She would have been here and go to Ayagala Saint.
Don't talk like that.
Why not?
She's not after money. The girl loves me.
She loves you. Come on, nze mulaba ayagala sente zo.
Wanna have. When will you stop thinking about a girl like that?
She's knocking. I think she will be the one.
Let me see. Let me check. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Isn't she the one?
How are you? I'm okay. I'm Ham. Okay. Anyway, you guys, I may leave you.
It's okay.
Okay, no problem.
Is he your friend?
Yeah. He's my friend. Anyway, come here.
I want to sit there.
Yeah. Don't worry. Feel free. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice earrings. Nice hairstyle. You're really beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Do you feel me? Then come to me. Come, please. Sorry. Please forgive me.
What's wrong with this girl? Is she okay? My God. Is she okay? She wants to die. She's walking as if she wants to die. My God. Excuse me? Any problem? What's wrong? You're walking as if you have problems. You crap. What's wrong? You can tell me. Young girl, I can help you. Are you going to tell me? Okay. I can help you. Don't worry. Don't be scared. I've been driving, you're still crying. Okay, we can talk from here. What's wrong? What are your names? Hirat. Okay. I'm called Dixon. But what's wrong? You can tell me which problem are you having?
My mother is sick. And the doctor told us to look for 25 million.
25? That's too much.
I don't even know where to start from. I don't have a job. I don't have anything that I can basically stand on.
Don't cry.
I'm the only one who can help.
Don't cry. But how can I help you? Okay. I have a friend of mine. She's called Mark. So she's a Canadian woman. She's having an organization she's running. So I think I can direct you to that woman. She can help you. What are your qualifications?
I'm a business graduate.
Business graduate. Degree or diploma? That one can help you. So maybe I'll direct you to that woman. I'm going to write for you an address and the contact. So when you reach there, you call that woman and we see what you can do. So you have a passport?
Yes, I have.
Okay, that's great. I think that one will work for you. That is the address and the contact for that lady. Yeah, she'll help you. Okay. Let me drop you to the next town and then you'll board from there. Okay?
Thank you.
Use this as transport.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me drop you there. Yeah, and we'll see what we'll start, okay? Nice time. Okay, promise me that you'll go there, okay?
Bannange muganda wange n'alwala okutuuka ku kino ne mutaŋŋamba yadde okuntumira abaana.
Mukazi wange ebbanga lyonna mbadde nkubira essimu ng'oli mbizi. Nandikoze kyonna.
Alwadde nnyo.
Okulwala awadde naye yobuula bafeetaga obukadde 25 genda okumulongoosa.
Sente ezo nga mpitirivu tugenda zijjawa.
Nabadde n'ekirowoozo naye amasinga tugendako ku TV ne tuyisa akalango osanga oli abazakisa bandibadde batuyamba netusobola okuvoonoka ekizibu ekyo.
Nanga amagezi ako nno gandituyamba gandiba amalungi. Obuzira ekyo kyetujja okukola.
Ate muganda w'omukuula emirimu agikolera ku buliri awo. Kati bawalabu baba tebaliiwo nsanga akaseera akazibu nnyo kumalira mubeera kati kyobola basikyabirawo ddala wano olw'embeera gy'alimu tesanyusa.
Ekyo kituufu nkiraba era kiba kirina okukaluubirira n'abaana naye kati nga ku mbeera gye musanzeemu badde nzize nga ngenda kuddayo mangu naye kati nga bwe mulabye kangira mbeerawokko nga bwe mubudaabuda ne bawala bange nga bwe banyambako akatonotono.
Abe, what's up?
Nothing.
Nothing? Ninga ndabanga atali musana. What's wrong?
I said nothing.
Okay. Anyway, how is your girlfriend?
Why do you ask?
I just want to know.
Then,
Because I remember the other time when mwali babiri mwali mukikwasaganya bulungi.
anyway, I don't know cause she even blacklisted me.
She blacklisted you. I told you naye nga tompuliriza.
Anyway, can you help me with your phone? I call her.
My phone to call her. Okay.
Thank you. I'm Abe. Hey Rat, why did you blacklist me? I'm sorry if I did wrong to you, but I think you also decided. Okay. But remove me in your blacklist, please. Okay. Thank you. It's done.
Amangu bwe gato. Okay. Nze kankuleke mulaavu yonjira neetolola mu kati.
Hi, Harry. How are you? Oh, thank you. You bought the paper. Thank you for keeping time. I appreciate that. Let me have a look here. Oh, let's see. So you have your... Oh, good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I'm impressed. You got very good marks in school. Okay. Okay, let me just have a look through this here. This looks fantastic. What I will do now is I'm going to photocopy these. I can do that from the office here. I will send that off to my team in Canada. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. I'll send it off to my team in Canada. They will review it. If all goes well, you could be working in Canada. Would you like that?
Yes.
Okay, because the company is an international company. We have firms or offices all over the place. So, yeah, and what we're trying to do is get someone from Uganda to come to our Canadian office. So, just like we have someone from Canada coming to the Ugandan office, yeah. So, but, yeah, we'll take these and we'll send them off. You'll be working in Calgary. Let me see what else I can tell you. You'll make very good money.
Sure.
Yes, you'll make very good money. We'll probably be able to get all the paperwork done and stuff, and probably within a few weeks, probably by the first part of next month, we'll be flying, and we're both going to go together. Yeah, you would come with me, and I would take you there and stuff like that. And we're going to pay for all the expenses, the flight and all that stuff, all your visa applications and stuff like that. The company will pay for that all. Okay? Yeah, so the best thing is to just leave your phone on. Yeah, because I got your number now, so, and I can always reach you and stuff. And if you have any questions, just give me a call also.
Okay.
Okay? And especially if you have any problems or whatever, just let me know. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I will see you out.
I'm sorry for that. I thought you were going to phone meet.
But I was also confused at that time. For sure, I didn't know what to do.
I'm really sorry. I don't want to hurt you. Please don't go. Could I ask? Do you love me?
Could I love you?
Yeah, tell me.
That answer won't be for today.
Come on, why not today? Late now.
You just want it even now.
Please, come back.
But if I may ask, what do you want from me?
It's because you're beautiful. You're the kind of man I like. Please, baby, come on. Love me.
Maybe in love, eh? Actions speak louder than words.
I love you.
But I have to go.
Okay, next time. But I'll be waiting at the resort tomorrow. When you come, then it will let me know your answer.
At the resort?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll see.
Okay, next time. Nice to meet you, beautiful.
Thank you.
Finally, my princess has come. Thank you for honoring my invitation.
I had to.
I thought you weren't come.
No, I was just caught up by some things, but I had to make it.
Yeah, I understand. But you know what? I feel you.
Not now. Not now.
But you love me. Please tell me. Please tell me.
I told you last time we met, that if it happens when I show up, then it means yes.
Come on. If you love me,
Of course.
thank you. Thank you, beautiful. Thank you for loving me. Thank you. Can we have a drink? A shake?
Okay.
Wow. Nice. Like it. Nice.
Come in. Hello, Harry. How are you? Good, good, good. Have a seat. It's good to see you. Yes. So how are you today?
Okay, fine.
Good, good, good. Are you excited?
Of course.
Okay, well, I'll tell you the good news. Okay, so all my colleagues and myself are very happy to offer you the job. Okay?
You're
So
offering the job right now?
we're offering you the job, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to pay you 20 million Ugandan shillings per month. Yeah.
Wait, 20 Canadian shillings?
Yep, per month. And then we're gonna also set you up in a house. Well, no, it's an apartment. We have an apartment. The company has an apartment. So, and then you won't have to pay rent or anything for 60 million. So you'll definitely have enough money for your mom and your family here and to set yourself up.
So you're gonna give me 20 million?
Yeah.
Plus accommodation?
Yeah.
For the full of 6 months?
Yeah, and then after that, we'll probably review everything and you'll get a raise and all that stuff.
Wow, thank you.
Okay? So, but they're very happy with your qualifications and stuff, and they're doing all the paperwork there. So, all that's left here for us to do is we need to have a medical done and some blood work done to send off to the immigration.
A medical?
Yeah, just some blood work and a general checkup.
Blood testing?
Yeah.
Sort of?
Yeah, it's required by immigrations. You can't travel without it.
I can't travel without any medical checkup.
No, you need a medical checkup and blood work.
Blood work. So
Yeah.
you're gonna test my blood?
Yeah, yeah, and not to worry, we're gonna pay for everything and everything like that. Friday, that gives us 4 days.
So I should come back on Friday?
Friday, yeah.
For the blood testing?
Yeah, we're gonna pay for everything and everything like that. We'll just go to the hospital down here and we'll just have it done. But I'm tied up for the next couple of days, so, do you think maybe on Friday?
So I should come back here on Friday?
Yeah, and then we'll just go together.
You take me?
Yeah, I'll go with you and stuff.
So can I bring my own results?
No, we need to have ones from this doctor down here.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, so, and remember, you never walk alone with us. So I think that's about it. Just keep your phone on, because if I have any questions or anything like that, I need to get a hold of you.
I'll make sure it's on.
Yeah, yeah, that way it's easy. If I need to get a hold of you and stuff like that. Okay? I'll see you out.
So thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah,
On
bye
Friday.
now. Yeah, bye now.
Sir.
Yes? Let us go to the village.
To the village?
Yeah.
It's like middle of going abroad is done. Wow. I'm from Maki's office right now.
Yeah?
She has told me to go back on Friday, but for a medical checkup.
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
That's saying good. I'm worried.
Worried? Worried about what?
I wouldn't want to tell you this. It sounds bad.
What is it? Hey, lad. What's the matter?
Sir, I messed up.
You messed up?
I slept with a guy without any heat or protection.
You slept with a guy?
Yeah. kind of protection.
Hi, lad. I told you. Before you mind about mom's life, you have to mind about yours too.
It's already done. How am I going to do?
Gosh.
I just don't know what to do right now. I don't know what to do right now.
What if you find yourself affected?
Don't say that. At this moment, don't. For God's sake, don't say that, Sarah. Don't. Please. Sarah, I don't know what I'm going to do exactly. I just don't know.
But you know what? You still have a chance.
What chance do I stand at this situation?
You're just affecting the situation.
But Sarah, what if I'm infected?
Don't say that. Don't think about it. I've got an idea. You need to go for general checkup before you meet Mark.
Before I meet Mark?
Yeah. How
Good
is
idea.
it? Yeah.
So I should go first. I know my status before I meet Mark on Friday.
That is it.
Okay. It's a good idea. It's a good idea.
I'll go to escort you. Don't fear. Okay? And let's do that tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, but tomorrow is like bad.
Leave alone, but let's do that.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll be in my room. Okay.
Alright, be strong. Tabitha, how's your worried? What's wrong?
I'm fine, sir.
Sure. Okay, fine. Can you give us some mints?
No. Sorry, she's my sister.
That means I can tell you the results. Okay. Okay, first tell me, what do you expect from the results?
Just tell me anything. I'm ready to hear.
Okay, what I can tell you, thank you for protecting your soul.
You told me I was just worried.
Reasons are negative, but congratulations.
Yes.
You're going to have a baby, you're pregnant. What's wrong? What? Because you're scared. Yeah, you're pregnant.
Never.
What's wrong? Pirate, it's true. You're pregnant. What's wrong? Why?
I shouldn't be pregnant.
Just calm down. Pirate, it's true. No. What's wrong with this girl? Look at this thing.
You're pregnant? My baby? Good!
You're saying what?
Good!
Do you know what you're making me pray for? You're saying having a baby at this moment. It's happiness to you. I beg for God's sake, my mom is on a sick bed.
Now what do you want me to do?
My mom is going to die. I need this job. I'd got a job which could give me enough money to pay for her bills. That's it. And I can't get that job when I'm pregnant.
Now what do you want me to do?
Just hear me out. Pay for my mother's bill. Clearly. Oh, I'm going to abort this baby. I need a job. Abby, I need a job. I need a job, Abby. Think twice. You either give me my mother's bill
banamwemba buli ebizibu nga byesomba ewaffe kumukumu
ati kiki ebizibu kibirabye mwafunye kulono
yakambuuze maama mwali atya
maama waffe gyali obulwadde bumuluma naye twetaaga omujjanjaba twetaaga ssente banamwemba bulire naye temwogera mukimanyi ayira tyabadde afunye omulimu ogenda e bulaaya omwana twamutute mu ddwaliro mukebera ng'ali lubuto
hayotenga ino olubuto ane buli omwana yesize eki
tugyeko naawe eyo nayo nsonga wama mumugyemu olubuto agenda akole
hayo lwaki bamugyemu olubuto
balugyemu agenda
kale kyekigwa okyogedde omanyi ebizibu byayinza okusanga repercussions the effects of aborting kalo muli aba muli babiri ndi wakusatu hayi lwaki wafuna obuzibu bwonna temunyega kyamugeze ne munkubira essimu munneesuliwe nze ebyammwe ne hayi lwaki bamukugyemu olubuto siririmu era bivuddemu
wamma oyo muveeko wamaze lima mwagala okugjamu nze wamma nga munkubi
Auntie Amina. Auntie Amina. Auntie Amina.
Wanji.
Kichinga weeraliikiridde?
Mwana wange. Mama wamwasiibye bubi olwaleero luno. Obulwadde bumuluma.
Bannaaye yali atya?
Yali mu nju awumuddeko naye maama.
Oba kangende mulabeko?
Jangu otule wano muleke agira awumulamu. Abadde akooye nnyo muleke agira awumulamu tomutataaganya.
Naye Auntie Amina.
Wanji.
Maama anaawona.
Mwana wange nga bw'obyebuuza nange wembyebuuza. Ku kisa kya Katonda ajja kuwona tusabe.
Nga obulwadde bumulumye.
Mama afudde.
Mama tannafa kakkana wano. Kakkana mpola mpola totya.
Namwe mutunula bubi mbadde manyi waliwo n'ekituuseewo.
Mwana wange maama obulwadde bumuluma ate era toggwamu maanyi.
Awulira atya ye?
Awumuddeko abadde yeebaseeko naye ng'olwaliro asiibye bubi.
Omuntu agenda kukola atya bannange?
Naye gwe Hirat. Ebyokunoonya ssente ebituuseewa?
Ebyokunoonya ssente?
Iye. Tokimanyi nti mulwadde.
Naye olina amagezi. Mwanteka kapande ndize nnoonya ssente za maama nzekka. Tuli emitwe meka mu nnyumba bonna ekyagolagala nezitateeka okunoonya ssente za maama. Okimanyi buli kimu kyentuukako nkikugamba buli kimu kikugamba omanye embeera gye ndima toka onyumiza kunoonya ssente bwe tosaagala n'obuuza ku mikwano gye giri nti munyambe mama wange mulwadde osobola ofuna ku ssente zosobola okuleeta kwano osoma bye biki nze saasoma saanoonya ssente nina gye nkola n'omulimu gule ogumpa ssente nnyingi nnyo nzije buli kimu mbeere nga buli kimu nze kitabira wano mu nnyumba oli mukulu ekimala naawe noonyaako ngeri gy'osobola okufuna ssente z'okubeezaawo embeera yaffe si buli kimu kizange no kibeerangako buli kiseera buli kimu kiteeka ku nze
Hi, Rose. How are you?
Call me, how did you say that?
I've been looking for you. How have you been?
Okay.
You okay? Okay, have a seat. Would you like a cup of coffee? Hi, Rose. You never change. You're still the old you. You still have your old days.
Of course, you know that.
Okay, the business why I called you. There seems to be a problem. I heard that you are pregnant. And you are planning to carry out an abortion.
How did you know?
I heard about it. Is it not true? Are you not pregnant? No, I wanted us to talk about it. Please do not do it, Tyler.
I do not do it.
Yes, please.
Do you know the repercussions I'm holding because I'm pregnant? You're free to take it back. And let me tell you this. Ever and ever. Mind about your own business. Okay? It's dangerous to be here. And oh.
Hire it. I should mind my own business. This is the reason why I have to become an ambassador for this. I must campaign against abortions. The government must take charge. You must get involved in this. I must work on it.
Sarah? So what am I going to do?
Hey, right. Enough is enough. I have some good news. Hirat, I'm from meeting Carol.
Carol?
Yeah. Who's Carol? She's one of my friends. And she has told me about abortion.
Abortion?
Yeah, you need to abort. You know her mom is sick. And if you need to save her life, you have to abort.
Sarah. I understand the situation properly really well.
Hirat, if that guy gives you money, you have to retain. Okay?
Sorry, I understand the situation. Let me think about it. My God. This is a real state of home.
But you have to do that.
Yes, coming. You are most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Can I have a seat?
Thank you very much.
How can I help you?
My name is Shawa Namaji.
From where?
From Ndeje Kanaba. These days.
Is there any problem?
Actually, Minister, it hurts me a lot. A lot of girls are carrying out abortions, and it's very rampant. The rate at which girls are carrying out these abortions is very alarming. Yes,
What do you mean?
there is no big action that is being taken upon these people. The ones carrying out abortions are the ones who are helping them with the procedure. And this is exposing them to a risk. So that is why I said to come and talk to you and see how we can go about this issue. Yes.
Okay. Okoze bulungi muwala okujja n'otegeeza ensonga eyo. Omanyi naffe tetuli baagala. Tusobola okumanya buli kimu ekigenda mu maaso mu ggwanga. So oyinayo banno b'omanyi.
Yes. Minister, one of them is my friend.
Sure.
She's planning on coming out an abortion. She doesn't want to be advised. I tried to talk to her so that maybe she could think about it. Think about this poor innocent unborn child. But she couldn't, let it go. She was so determined to carry out this abortion. And besides, my other issue is about the people who are helping them carry out these abortions. But no one is minding about them. Yes, sir.
Kakati, okoze bulungi okutegeeza ensonga eyo. Kigenda okukola, ngenda kutuula ne bannange, twogeremuko nabo, tulabe engeri ki gye tuyinza okwasaganyamu ensonga eyo. Kubanga kye tulina okukola kwe kulwana okulaba nti embeera yeekulirawo ddala mu ggwanga. Kikolwa kibi nnyo. Nnyo. So, kye ngenda okukola, ngenda kufunira buka transport.
Nekirala ntumya kwafuna transport. Njagala mbeera ambasada. Ambasada w'ekikolwa kibi. Minisita kibi nnyo, kinnyimiza, kisusse. Bwe mbeera ambasada, tulwanyise ekikolwa ekyo ekibi ennyo okutta omwana tayina musango. Like Minister, really. So I want us to find means, the end justifies the means. So that we can do away with this bad act, inhuman act. That is why I came to you. I want to be the ambassador of this cause.
You have someone,
Minister, like I told you, first of all, the most surprising thing is that all these people who think are very mature in this practice, they have expertise on doing this. That is why all these girls are encouraged to go back. So they are persuaded because they do it the first time and the second time they're like, oh, if I never put it through the first time, so I can do it again. But I do know these people who think they know and they are very aware of where this practice takes place. But it's so inhuman. Yes, it is.
Okay. Kakati bwe tuyambako mu mbeera bw'eti abantu abo ogenda kubatulegera abali mu kikolwa ekyo ogenda kubatulegera tugenda kubakwata ekikolwa ekyo kiri
ekyo minisita tekiwesipide I will do it.
leero tugenda okulaba nga kiggwawo mu ggwanga.
I'm very pleased for giving it such a moment. I'm really pleased. Thank you very much, Minister. This is what I was looking for.
Okay. Let me give just a small transport.
Just a minute.
Very much. You didn't have to. Thank you very much. Thank you, Minister.
Sarah, omukyalo ono bajja mumanyirize kubanga information from Are you getting it? Okay.
Thank you very much, Minister. Sarah, I'm Shalwa Namamije. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Minister. Okay, bye.
Madam, do you have national ID?
Oh, no problem. I do have it, sir. Here. No problem. Just right here. See, I'm Uganda. That is my ID. It's completely ID. Shalwa Namamije.
Okay.
Thank you from the J Canada.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Minister. Thank you for your time. Thank you once again, Minister. Thank you so much. See you. Okay, thank you.
We are waiting for your information.
Thank you, Minister. Thank you, Minister, so much.
Karo, watakimanyi nti okugyamu olubuto kibi.
Twala eri naawe. Nze nalina jjajja wange. Yali ajjamu embuto. Yajjamu abantu ago asatu naye ku bantu asatu beyajjamu embuto kwafaako omuntu ogu omu. Ate oyo omuntu teyafiira waka. Bamala mulagajjali ya bulagajjali zinaalyoka afa. Naye waliwo yamusikira sisita wange. Ye kuba ajjamu abantu bangi naye ku bantu beyakajjamu tattangako wadde n'ogu. Wadde n'omu.
Kati wanaatandikira ku nze.
Kereza naye gajjemu olubuto. Okimanyi maama mulwadde. Wamma Karo nze mbuuza balugiramu ssente mmeka?
Luli gyali emitwalo 3. Naye kati kirabika 5. Naye kirabika 7.
Shiya. Wamma wabuno obusente butono nnyo. Tugendayo ddi?
Tetulagenda kati. Kuba kati ekijja kijje. Sikyalina kyakusala wakijja kijja watugenda kati tugende kati.
Tetusobola kugenda kati kubanga eri ewantu wala nnyo. Kubanga taxi wetuteeka tumala ne tulinnyawo boda ya 7. Ate obudde buba tebutumala kubanga omuntu ajjeemu olubuto. Oba olina okusooka ne weerongoosa bulungi n'onywa ebyokunywa n'oddaddamu n'otuuka n'okuvaayo ng'omuntu tamanyi na kyova kukola.
Maama tubale tuse na kusulayo. Bazadde baffe tunaabagamba batya nga tusuzeeyo mu kyalo.
Oh, hi darling, how are you? I'm fine. Come on, shower. Yes, just above the stairs. Ngozi maze kobote. Ndi ku left yo. Yes, ojja kunsangawo. Kale darling, kankulinde. Kale Karo. I love Karo. Karo, how are you? I'm fine.
Watu wampitidde ki? Oba ondeetedde bijanjalo nga bulijjo.
Naye Karo, singa bw'okisuubira.
Naye lwaki teweesonyiwa abantu?
Karo, ebintu biveeko kati badde nina ddiiro ate eriko akasente ojja jjagala. Ekisooka njagala nsooke nkwetondere neefuula kyesiri luli lwe nasooka okujja kati ku nsonga y'okugyamu embuto
ebyembuto nabigaana
Karo netampuliriza kati nina mukalo gwange ayina omusajja omuzungu naye ebizibu bye kyemufuusizza olubuto kati yeeraliikiridde baawe yennyini akomawo wiiki ejja okuva ebweru kati teyagala musangira olwo olubuto ate yagala kujja
naye ebintu bye byewuunyisa leero gwogamba kibi ate enkya kirungi tolimu olwambega
nawe olwambega ntya nawe ebyo biveeko kati nga nfunamu ki ate akasente omwekali olaba bantereddeko dda ssente ozirabye endowooza zazze kweziri ku simu mukyala mwami oyo omuntu wo akolera meka
akolera emitwalo 5
ate gwokolera meka
nze nkolera 2
naye wabula Karo nawe onontala emitwalo 2 bwetite kati ngenaku emitwalo egi ngenaku emitwalo 4 tugenda ondagiro kubanga obuzibu bwafunyamu nti mukwano gwange namugamba nze manyi obagiramu embuto kati ate ngejjali omwana nti wakukyalo bamumanyi kyagala abantu bamulabe katugende ze emitwalo gyegi enangirina tugende otwaleyo nze ndabeyo nze nja kumuleeta
kati tugendeyo ddi
it's fine even today leero ndi free tusobola okugenda sina buzibu
tugende leero kubanga enkya nyina otwalayo bahayiraati
bahayiraati bajja
enkya bagenda kujja kati tugendeyo leero gwe nkutwale leero muleme kwonagana
kati malisala mukwonagane kati bahayiraati bajja enkya it's okay tugendeyo leero sente zo nziina nezomukyala nziina katugende awo nsaza amagezi tugende
Bwesegawa lwaki weeyisa bwoti omuntu natambula okuva eri paka okutuuka ng'olinganga atamulaba bwesegawa
nawe wantama gwe otambula okukyalo n'omuntu muba muze kugyamu mbuto lwaki muti abantu ba Katonda ye Katonda munaamuddawo
sirika kalabi
onsirisa ngani wamanyabo
tomweyisayisa tugjeeko akajanja wamma oli muzaalisa just okola ekyaba ayamba abantu
muvubuka ndaba okyali mwana muto ebintu ebimu wandibira esonyiye abantu balina ebizibu byabwe ffe tulina ebizibu byaffe
mulwakwa mwonye ndi mwavu naye singa ali siri mwavu nzisinga onatama dda naye nva nawo dda
Karo kyendabye gwe noono temugenda kukwatagana mbadde nsaba ompeemuko akaseera n'omwana ono njogereko naye osanga ayinza okuntegeera
ye gwe kano
baaba aliwa wandimbuza mutemu munange aliwa genda kujja mwesinkanja oba omusanga
wamma kamala okulaba baaba ate gwe nkusange ng'omugambye ebyekisiru kale baaba nange nsanyusa okukusanga era dde baaba muli mutya eno ndi bulungi baaba ng'oli wano tolina mirimu leero ye ng'oli mweraliikirira
nina mukisujjasujja
baaba va mu ebyo
tolina kyosobola kuŋŋamba olw'ensonga olaba awo wajjuddewo embuto abakazi abafumbo abaana b'amasomero zonna zijjudde omwo
kakati kambuuze ogwo gwe mulimu ogukolebwa wano
nedda naye jjajjaffe yali muzaalisa ku kyalo kuno kati abantu batalika omuleetera ensonga bwezityo naye nekimwayiza okutandika okukola okugyamu abantu embuto
kakati mu wiiki bajjamu ng'abantu bameka
sisobola kugamba nti bano bajja mu olw'ensonga bulamu ajjira mu kiseera kye. Naye kambuuze naawe oze kujja mu lubuto?
Nange nze kujja mu lubuto.
Tolujjaamu
Kulwaki?
oli mwana muto. Kankubuulire, wano waliwo omwana yali wa ssomero yajja okujjamu olubuto naye ebintu tebyamutambulira bulungi.
Ate kye kyamutuukako?
Mulungi nnyabo.
Mbadde mbuuzaako oba bano baliko wa?
Abaawa nze ndi waawo. Tindako simanyi naawe oza kujja mu lubuto. Kati oba toze kujja mu lubuto onoonya eki? Situka.
Gwe ssebo, obuyinza obujjawo bugoba abagenyi wano. Otandika otya? Mwakatunuulira. Muka tugende. Amannya obadde ogamba ki?
Anti oli antiisizza ate amanyi oba tubireke.
Oyo akutiisaako biki naawe talina kyali. Ati oba tukuyambe tutya?
Badde bandagiridde wano nti musobola okunnyamba. Nafuna olubuto ate maama wamanyi agenda bbanzisa.
Ni wano tukikolerako ddala. Ne baba wuuli atuuse. Kulikayo baba.
Nvuddeyo.
Ki ekiriwo? Teri wano ku byabuli. Nayagala muyambako ku biri. Muwala osiibye otyo.
Bulungi nnyabo osiibye otyo.
Ave ku biri eri baba yetegedde.
Naye gwe ono omwana nga muto nnyo tatuleetera obuzibu.
Baba ono omwana muto.
Nze ndaba muto ayinza otuleetera ebizibu.
Baba bebifeeko omwana watukidde ofuna olubuto taba muto.
Kale gwe nnyabo okoze otya?
Oba kukyakinyabo.
Ssente olinawo mmere? Badde nninawo emitwalo 4 ate gibadde gya school fees. Oba mukolera ssente mmeka?
Emitwalo ago?
Sirina gye nsobola liyite.
Kale nga bw'ali mwana muto ate nga wasomera. Ate nga ssente za school fees tumukoleko. Mutwaleyo eri amale okunoonya eddagala kansiti mbasange. Kale baba bajja tugende. Mwala totya. Wano tuli bakugu. Ojja noddayo nga wotsi.
Naye teri buzibu.
Wano baffe tukoze ku bantu bangi teri yali afuna buzibu. Kati bakuwa eddagala. Nywa. Lundi ogwo. Baba amaze kuleeta. Ye nga aluddeyo. Baba!
Wangi.
Nakuwonya omulundi ogwo gumu. Totya nnyo eddagala teweeyinyala. Nywa mulundi gumu bwe guti. Teweekanasa eddagala likola. Kale kanziti okira obeera naye. Kale ulira oti?
Sirina kye naawulidde.
Mpa mugumu totya.
Mpulira obusalaasala mu
Anti awo liba liri mu kukola. Bwe bityo bwe biba. Kiki ate?
lubuto lutandise okukola.
Awo likola. Lutandise okukola. Kiki naawe ejjawo ekyejo tuula.
manyi gye bamuziika omwana oyo naye buli lwenzi awo nenkirowoozaako amaziga gampitamu.
naye mulenzi nkakasa ntya nti byoyogera toyagala kunnemesa, nkakasa ntya nti byoyogera bituufu. bazadde bo bamanyi bulungi?
mbamanyi nkulw'ensonga omwana yali wa ku kyalo kuno kwennyini.
kaakati mbadde njagala ontwale gye bamuziika ne bazadde be njogereko nabo. onoosobola kinkolera?
nze siina buzibu, onawo onaŋŋambira nti tugende, nze nja kubaawo nga tugenda.
kale kaakati olina enamba y'essimu?
Namba y'essimu nina naye okujjako mpozi airtime gwe siina.
ekiro kyekiraliikirira kati mbadde njagala ompe ku namba ye y'essimu.
gye nnina nina mukwano gwange alina mukwano gwe alina bbaawo ali bweru naye kati ekizibu kyalina yayagala kuno omusajja kati ate alina olubuto ate bbaawo alina okukomawo nga tamusanga nate bbaawo ajja wiiki akomawo wiiki ejja kati ayagala kujjamu olwo olubuto. Baawo ate kiki naawe baba va nawe mu ebyo oli namumatiza dda namugambye dda era omunzize naye.
kale olina kyotamanyi.
gwe nempulira ng'oyasama
baba nawe leka kati nga ngambani
omwa gusibeko sobola nawe leka
mwana gwe kalo webitowe byali
naye baba nze mbadde nteesa nze kyemanyi nti okufa si gwe wakulinda kati nze mbadde nteesa sembyayo eno yokka ddiimu gyoba osembyayo yokka
nabikoowa nabimala sibiddamu
baba oli namumatiza ne mugamba olaba atuse n'okumpa ono nzije naye ntuse n'okujja n'ono banneesize baba n'abamatiza nti ogenda kibakolera
kale bibi yasadimana
emitwalo 5
emitwalo 5 bakyagigiramu embuto kola emitwalo 10 bw'aba tazirina abireke
baba
kiwedde
baba naawe
kiwedde kyekyo
kale kangene njogerako naye
akkiriza kinkoze bulungi naye kalo ki ekikutwala lwaki tosigala
nga lwaki nsigala
nze mbadde ŋŋamba singa yinze gwe nandisigadde
naye nze nga nako
weekyalo kalo ewaka tewaba wabi eno yeewammwe sigala ki ekikutwala ennyo kubanga sente ze nandikuwadde nozikolamu ekirala nze wandyenonye mu transport kinkoze bulungi bajja ddi
bajjanja
kati tolaba kankwe ka transport okasavinge bahairat we banajja nazo ze banakuwa saving tolaba nga oba okola kati olunaku lumu olina transport ogenda okomewo nga bajjanca sigala you remain
naye ndo kale kansigale ndaba lunaku lumu
ogenda sigala kale oba okola tolaba
ate nomba nkola
sigala
kansigale ndaba lunaku lumu
kale kati nze kangende tujja kuba tuwuliziganya nja kukubira oba naawe onkubire kale kalo neyanziza beera bulungi
kale bayi
sigawa yes sigabanga takwata hello
wanji
segawa gyebale nze gwova okuwa enamba y'essimu omwala abaddeko awo gyebale sebo kale kakati nga twali tugambye nti ojja kundaga wali mbadde ndi wano mu kadaala ng'agenda bwoti mu trading center kati osobola okujja essaawa zino ejjamu tugende ondage ewabwe w'omuwala nga bwe twabitweseza nti ojja kundagawo kale nkulinze naye tolwayo ate n'ekirala carrot obako ky'omunyega ate takulaba tagoberera n'akulaba. Kale nkulinze bambi ojja kundaba wano mu kadaala nga tunatuuka mu trading center. Kale se kankulinze.
Kati awo wenkulaze omwana we yali abeera ne bazadde be.
Omuwala yafe wano bazadde be
we babeera
sikawo kikakasa tonneewo
sisobola kulimba
kozi wegamba bazadde tebakimanya
tebyakimanya
wagenda kundagawo bano
nsinga buzibu bwonna naye nze nkusabasebe tubaako bwekiyambaye
nesiga sirina bwe ngenda kigamba kasita ndabyewo azwe tonyembesigawa asobola
busabi tubaako bw'okigamba yenna
abwe baze ku mwana sina gwe ngenda kugamba sina gwe ngenda kigamba webale nnyo kundagawo
kwesize nga ggwe
nesiga webale kundagawo sigawo
Bana etusanyusa okubalaba etusanyusa okubalaba muwalabye
kalo yono sitawo gwatugamba
Kawana gabode basudde naye era nabagamba nti wala boda ya kanaana
eddagala tokankana
namwe mumukwate bulungi
tumukwate bulungi ki waze tumutte
ng'akaaki yasama bulungi
yakukuba essasi gwe you're killing people here you're voting move hello over we are bringing them there yeah we are coming with them they are here
Minister, the other ones.
Thank you very much. Officer, take them to police station.
That's it.
Okay, I've heard you.
Please, I'm begging. I want to see my mom.
Okay, you want to see your mom?
Help me, please.
Okay, I'll do something about that.
Thank you.
I think we can go, yeah?
Sansukula banyaba
kale ssebo nange okusangawo
oba nkuyambe ntya
Kulo nafunye akasimu nga kankubirwa nti banneetaaga wano ku poliisi.
Nsonga ki?
Baŋŋambye muwala wange Hairat ali wano. Naye simanyi kiki kigenda maaso.
Yajja ddi?
Ennaku nga 2 emabega.
Nga 2 emabega. Yajjamu olubuto. Tumuyina.
Kaakati yali mu mbeera ki? Abajjamu embuto bayisibwa bubi, abalala bafiirayo, kati basobola okumundagako ne mulabako embeera gy'alimu.
Ekkomera libeera n'abasawo baalyo abatekinga responsibility ku bantu ababa bazze mu kkomera okubajjanjaba n'ebirala. Kitegeera? So ali bulungi naye nga kyoba omanya nti akyalina ku limandi. Tonatuka kukozesebwa ku kintu kya omusango yakola gwa naggomola nnyo 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 nnyo. Kyogenda okukola ojja genda ku reception osangawo omwana ogambe ajja kulagirira seero gyali.
Mama Harriet. Oli otya munnange Fred? Harriet yasanyuseemu. Era tojja kuba bulungi, tojja kufa. Totya. Kyengenda okukola kukyusiza ddwaliro ntifuna eddungi erisingako wano. Nja bikolako.
Ojja kuba bulungi.
Ojja kuba bulungi. Olidde bagenda kwongera eddwaliro erisingako wano, kitegeeza ogenda kufuna ku bujjanjabi obw'amaanyi. Goloka onyone Katonda oddemu amaanyi, tojja kuddamu kuwulira bubi. Ewaliriza wanyweka na kisiti n'egiba emimiro ebiri.
Lucy, how are you? How are you feeling? You'll be okay.
Sina option. Munnange sina kyakukolera. You have to go back to jail. Kubanga you have to serve as an example. Ekintu kyewakola naye wakirabanga tekyali kirungi.
Osokunyambako noyogera nakabo otote lwavaamu.
Mama oteera dikiragenda kubabuulira. I'm going to take care of her. Kitegeera.